The 2025 Dayton Air Show is back with high-flying acts and, of course, the return of the highly anticipated U.S. Air Force Thunderbirds. My co-host Grace Hewitt is live there at the Dayton Air Show. Grace, how's things looking?
Caroline, things are absolutely amazing here. Lots of noise behind us, but it wouldn't be the noise without an air show. And the skies over Dayton will come alive this weekend with high-flying acts, aerobatics, precision flying. And that precision flying is from this guy right here, Brian Correll. Brian, how are you doing?
I'm doing fantastic today. Thank you.
I'm so excited because I've done my research on you. I've read up on you. You've been doing this since 2008. So what got you into flying?
I was, as a kid, drawn to airplanes. I went to my first air show when I was 12, but I wasn't really exposed to aviation until I went to college, and I actually got my real exposure skydiving. So,
skydiving? Are you serious?
Not the thing every mom wants to learn, but yeah, I actually had my first airplane ride was to jump out of it.
I mean, that is absolutely amazing. So I gotta ask, tell me about the aircraft that we have behind us.
So this airplane is a Pitts Special. It's the S2S. It was originally built in 1982. It doesn't really look anything like when it came out of the factory. Pretty much everything's been modified on it. The wings have been strengthened. The engine's got way more horsepower, composite propeller, and it's made to do fantastic aerobatics and make lots of smoke and lots of noise.
Oh, that is amazing. Now, I watched some of your videos, but for viewers at home that aren't familiar, give them a little sneak peek for this weekend. What can they expect up in the skies from you?
Well, you're going to have to come out and see for yourself, but we'll be doing lots of aerobatic maneuvers, lots of smoke, lots of noise, and for the finale, we're going to cut a ribbon, but you got to come out and see whether we'll do it upright or upside down.
You never know what you're gonna get. So for viewers at home that are watching, little kids, that, what would your advice be if they want to follow in your footsteps, they want to be a pilot, what would your advice for them to be?
Kids, I mean, obviously work hard in school, but there's all facets of aviation, whether you want to build airplanes. I'm from Wichita, we build a lot of airplanes there. Whether you want to build airplanes, maintain them, or fly them, it all starts with a good educational foundation.
Oh, absolutely. And one thing I love about this aircraft too, some fun facts here for you. This flies at speeds over 230 miles per hour. What are some other fun facts about this?
So I'm going to go that fast going forward, but we're also going to go backwards. We're going to go backwards probably about 60 mile an hour. This doesn't have the thrust to weight ratio of the F-16, but we'll go straight up until we can't anymore, and then see how fast we can get the airplane going backwards.
Oh, I love it. And lastly, this is your first Dayton Air Show. I want to say welcome to the birthplace of aviation. How excited are you for this weekend?
I am super excited. I live in Wichita, the air capital of the world. All of that wouldn't be possible without the Wright brothers and their forethought and everything that came out of Dayton here. So I'm super excited, and hope everybody comes out and has a great air show.
Oh, so fun. I can't wait. Good luck up there in the skies.
Thank you.
You can find all that information on your screen for the Dayton Air Show this weekend. Gates are opening at 9 a.m. on both days. Make sure to get your tickets while they last. Brian, thanks so much for being here.
Thank you.
Of course.